Today we will be talking about the shingles vaccine. First, let's talk about a vaccine and how it works. A vaccine is a substance used to stimulate production of antibodies and provide immunity against several diseases. Prepared from a causative agent of disease, its products, or a synthetic substitute, treated to act as an antigen without inducing the disease. Several vaccines are made by taking toxins and inactivating them with a chemical. In the case of shingles, otherwise known as herpes zoster, zoster vaccines are used. Now, let's talk about zoster vaccines.
There are currently two proven vaccines against shingles. The first is Zostavax, a live attenuated vaccine that amounts to an extra strength dose of the varicella zoster virus. The varicella zoster virus is the same that causes chickenpox. Shingles is just a reactivation of the virus. The second vaccine is Shingrix, a recombinant, non-live vaccine that requires 2 doses a few months apart to achieve 90% effectiveness. This vaccine is recommended by the Advisory Committee of the Immunization Practices within the CDC.
Who needs the shingles vaccine? The CDC recommends that people 60 years old and older get the shingles vaccine to prevent shingles and PHN. PHN is a painful, chronic condition that can occur after having shingles. People 60 years of age or older should get the vaccine whether they recall having had chickenpox. There is no maximum age for the shingles vaccine. Protection from the vaccine lasts about 5 years, so adults vaccinated before they are 60 might not be protected later in life when the risk for shingles and its complications are greatest.
Why are vaccines important? Recently, there have been confusion and misunderstanding about vaccines. So let's talk about why they are all important, not just the shingles vaccine. Vaccinations protect us from serious illness and complications of vaccine-preventable diseases. These vaccine-preventable diseases such as measles, mumps, whooping cough, and shingles are still a threat. Vaccinations are safe and effective. All vaccines undergo a long and careful review by scientists, doctors, and the federal government to ensure they are safe. What would happen if we stopped vaccinating children and adults? If we stopped vaccinating, the diseases would start coming back. So let's make sure we are getting vaccinated, and those over 60, don't forget to get your shingles vaccine.